First, listen to Norbert Mao.
That's why I said the transition will not be based on elections. These things are already happening in the rooms which matter.
Okay. I guess you have heard, and I don't need any translation. In actually, Norbert Mao tika wachini bolokui ene pepe kela la madanu merni. Amiate wakiat kong la penye no cheru wiyo matek. Pingo ketika balo chawa paluak, pingo ketika balo muchoro pa Uganda, me yubu kui en maditeni. Pianini pe kui pe bikela la. So results is already predetermined. The outcome of the election is already known. Why do we pretend? Why? Why do we like pretending? The outcome of the election is already known to some people. Why do we pretend and waste the time of Ugandans, waste the resources of Ugandans to organize elections? This is why Dr. Kizza Besigye was saying elections are just like a ritual. After every 5 years, it is done, just like a ritual. But again, I want you to listen to General Lutafire, who was talking to the judiciary yesterday, to the lawyers. Listen to Tafire again.
No citizen should be incarcerated without fair trial. I've told you this. You may hate me, you may like it. That's up to you.
Now, I want you to compare Norbert Mao, a politician who did not go to the bush, did not participate in the Bush War that brought the NRM in power. But listen to how he's speaking with power, with authority. And now listen to Tafire, who was in the bush, who participated in the revolution that brought them into power. But listen to how they are speaking. Could we conclude that power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely?
And those who don't want it to be quiet will be made quiet.
I think Norbert Mao is telling us that once you give power to someone, you can never trust that person. You can never put all your trust in that person, so long as the person now has power. Because if you play the videos of Norbert Mao, before he went into that corporation, you will not believe yourself. You will not believe this is the same person talking. So, when I watched the video, it gave me a lot of things. I was thinking, are we really going the right way? Is this not a test to the youths of Uganda? Are they not testing the patience of the youths? This is going to be the quietest election.
This is going to be the quietest election you have ever seen in the world. It is going to be so quiet.
The quietest, meaning everywhere will be soldiers. And if you talk, if you celebrate anything, you are removed. So guys, this should open our eyes. This should open our ears. Prepare for the worst. That's what I can tell you. Prepare for the worst.